Hello everyone, this is Shen from Alibaba Group. I'm glad to attend this meeting and share some ideas about the standardization of MiniApp online. With the rapid development of IoT, more and more embedded devices and sensors are connected to cloud with screen for easy interaction. But in IoT domain, the application development methods are still backward. More specifically, most apps depend on C, C++, ASM language, which means huge cost on both learning and developing. And also, UI components are far from enough. Not to mention that when we finally complete the app, we are likely to realize that the reusability and backward compatibility will be the new problems. I know you guys here are all experts and maybe someone would like to tell me MiniApp can solve all these problems. Yes, you're right. MiniApp uses high-level language, friendly IDE development environment, and rich component. But is that enough? No. As we can see, in IoT domain, the hardware performance between devices are different. Some device just has 4 to 8 MB RAM. What's more, we always need to do lots of extra work on sensors and on-chip peripherals to meet our application scenarios. Because of huge gap between IoT device and mobile phone, we suggest to extend the standard of IoT MiniApp. So, what is IoT MiniApp? First, it is not a new thing, but a standard MiniApp with extended and reformed components and JS API. Second, it supports both web and local render mode. Just to make everything clear, the local render mode is a light render engine and with limited CSS style to run MiniApp on IoT device with low performance. Third, it does not depend on native app and can run different OS platforms standalone. Up to now, more and more scenarios are suitable for IoT MiniApp, such as IoT control panel, intelligent watch, smart speaker, and etc. We always believe that IoT MiniApp can connect smart devices each other, sharing data, and connection of all things. Core modifications we made on IoT MiniApps are listed as follows: connectivity component, peripherals component, camera component, mode component, Bluetooth mesh, app management, and also some unnecessary JS API which just used on mobile phone are removed, such as add phone contact and share mini app and etc. And now I will put forward some standardization proposals for this component we extend. First, connectivity component. There are more ways communication on IoT device than mobile phone, so we hope to encapsulate communication protocols which helps developers build up their app easily. Include UDP, TCP, HTTP, and MQTT, which are most widely used protocols in IoT domain. Second, Peripherals component. There are lots of on-chip peripherals which will be used on IoT devices, such as UART, GPIO, I2C, and etc. Due to developers hope to control these low-level peripherals to apply on some customized scenarios. Camera components. Camera will be used more and more in IoT domain, such as face tracking, home monitoring, video chat, and etc. So, camera as one of the most important part of multimedia component. It should be added to the standard of IoT MiniApp. With this component, we will help developers to deal with camera buffer allocate, encode, and decode. We also will provide a series of control events such as take photo, start preview, start record. Even more, we may integrate some simple algorithm to help developers to develop more complicated IoT mini apps. 4. Motor component. We will exposing low-level motor control event to IoT mini app to make motor perform well enough. We suggest include step motor and servo motor. 5. Bluetooth mesh. Bluetooth mesh is one of most important ability in IoT device. We hope to standardize the behavior of provision, state submit, message dispatch, so that developer can build up apps with Bluetooth mesh uniformly. The last, app management. Due to the IoT mini app can run standalone, so we need to provide more JS API for developers to control or manage their apps, such as install app JS API, which can always keep IoT mini app up to date. And this also will make launch app faster. We can also use start app or start page to switch between different apps. That's all. Thank you for listening. I look forward to discuss IoT mini app standardization with you again in foreign meeting. Thank you again. Bye bye.